Good evening. This evening I'm going to cut these pieces here and tack them in. So I've got 1, 2, 3 to do, and then after that I'm going to try and size out this diagonal that needs to go in here. Well, you can see those supporting pieces are in there, and they're being held there by their own friction, just about. Easy to move, so pretty good fit, excellent for TIG welding. Well, you can see I've come across a problem here. This chassis was originally bronze welded, soldered together with silicon bronze, I believe. And where I'm trying to weld to the chassis with mild steel and TIG, my TIG torch, it's not really working. It's just sort of spitting out. I've sort of had a quick read online, and it's possible to put some silicon bronze rod rather than steel filler rod and actually do that, but I've never done it before, so I've just ordered some rod, and when that comes I will come over and redo this. I'll probably have a practice first. You can see the different colour because it's been bronze welded in, and yeah, it's spitting. I've managed to tack it on, which is good enough for now, but yeah, I mean, you can see at the top it's just sort of it's just sort of spit itself out. It's not really working, so yeah, standard TIG welding is not going to work.